Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to customize the menu in Via Browser on your mobile device. This is a useful feature that allows you to arrange the browser options in a way that suits your personal browsing style. First, open Via Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. Inside the Settings, find and tap on the option that says Customize Menu. After opening the Customize Menu section, you will see a list of all the available menu items. Hold and drag any menu item that you want to move or reorganize according to your preference. Your changes will be saved automatically, and the menu will now reflect your customized order whenever you use the browser. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.